Namaste dear Kutis. This is Jyoti Lakshmi from Prasan Vidya Mandir School. Prepared by myself, Miss Jyoti Lakshmi, presented by Miss Suganya, Miss Tamachelvi and Miss Subhastri. Yes, now we are going to see class 3. Subject Science, lesson 8, Water Voice. Month January, week 2, part 2. We are going to see part 2. In last video, we had seen about the properties of water. Yes, now you can say what are the properties of water? List some properties of water. Yes, water has weight. Water has weight and occupies space. Water has colorless and odorless. Water has colorless and odorless. Water flows from higher level to a lower level. Water flows from higher level to a lower level. Yeah, you are right. Yes, we are going to recall few. Water has many special properties that make it a unique liquid. Water has many special properties that make it a unique liquid. Water can exist in 3 states: as a solid, a liquid, or a gas with unique properties in each state. Water can exist in 3 states: as a solid, a liquid, or a gas with unique properties in each state. Expected learning outcomes. Students will be able to list the sources of fresh water. Explain the need to conserve fresh water. Propose ways to conserve fresh water. First, we will see the PEP activity. Earth is often referred to as a blue planet. This is our Earth. Earth is referred to as a blue planet. Yes, you can think and say why Earth is called as a blue planet. Yeah. Answer these questions. Why do you think Earth is called the blue planet? Think and answer here. Why do you think Earth is called the blue planet? Yeah, it has huge oceans. In Earth, you can see many oceans and seas and many lakes, ponds, rivers. It has huge oceans and seas and also many lakes, ponds, rivers. So it is called as a blue planet. Would life on Earth be the same if it were not a blue planet? No. All living things need water to survive. All living things need water to survive. Most of the water on Earth is held in the oceans. Most of the water on Earth is held in oceans. Oceans cover most of our planet and make it appear blue. Oceans cover most of our planet and make it appear blue. Water is also present in lakes, rivers, streams, ponds and under the ground as groundwater. Water present in lakes, rivers, streams, ponds and under the groundwater. Here you can see the lakes image, rivers and streams. The water that we drink referred to as fresh water. The water that we drink referred to as fresh water. We are drinking water, that is fresh water. Fresh water is also used for not only for drinking. It is used for cleaning, cooking and other purposes. We can use a fresh water for cleaning, cooking and other purposes. Water found in the oceans contain salt and is common referred to as salt water. Water found in the oceans contains salt and is commonly referred to as salt water. Ocean water is called as a salt water. Salt water cannot be used for drinking, cleaning, cooking or other purposes. Salt water, we cannot drink the salt water. We cannot clean the cleaning, cooking purposes. We cannot use this salt water. Many plants and animals live in fresh water as well as in salt water. Many plants and animals live in both fresh water as well as in salt water. Here you can see the images of catfish. This is catfish, a freshwater fish. It only can live in fresh water. This name is catfish. Catfish can only live in fresh water. Yes, this is a tuna. This can live in a salt water. Tuna you can see in the oceans and seas. Yes, now let's move on to activity 8.10. Which type of water is found more abundantly on earth? Fresh water or salt water? Which type of water is found more on earth? I think it's a salt water. It's a salt water. I think that salt water is more abundantly available on earth in oceans and seas. Salt water is mostly found on earth, oceans and seas. Available on earth, oceans and seas. In oceans and seas. Fresh water is only available in rivers, lakes, ponds and glaciers. Fresh water is only available in rivers, lakes, ponds and glaciers. Yes, now let's move on to 8.11 activity. In this activity, here 3 uses of water and sources of water for each. First, uses. Here you can see the animals are drinking water. Animals and birds are drinking water. Source, fresh water in the stream. Animals and birds are drinking water. Fresh water in the stream. In the stream, fresh water, animals and birds are drinking. In the second image, you can see the boy is swimming in the some pond or lake. It's a fresh water. A child is swimming in the water. A child is swimming in the water. Source, fresh water in the river, lake or pond. In the third image, you can see the persons cleaning the car. 2 people are washing a car. Sources, fresh water from a tap. 2 people are washing a car, fresh water from a tap. The presence of fresh water makes Earth a unique planet that supports life. Fresh water makes Earth a unique planet and supports life. When human beings pollute or waste water, human beings, we pollute or waste water means the other living things that also depend on it are affected. The other living things like plants, animals are depending the water. They affect from that. We human beings, we can't pollute or waste the water. When human beings pollute or waste water, the other living things that also depend on it or affected. So we can't waste the water. We can't pollute the water. We do not pollute the water or we do not waste the water. Hence, it is important to always be responsible while using water. Hence, it is important to always be responsible while using water. We are responsible for that using the water. We do not waste the water. Even small efforts from each of us can help to save water from being wasted. If you are seeing the tap is open the tap means you have to go and close that. Like that you have to save the water. Even small efforts, these are all some small efforts you have to take. Even small efforts from each of us can help to save water from being wasted. From this lesson, we have learned that we do not waste. Complete the concept map. Here, properties of water. Water has dash and occupies space. Yes, this you know. First property, water has dash and occupies space. Yes, you are right. Weight. Water has weight and occupies space. Second thing, water has no shape of its own. Water has no shape of its own. Third one, water has no color or smell of its own. Water has no color or smell of its own. Water always flows from a dash to a dash level. Yeah, higher to a lower level. Now, let's move on to what makes water unique. Why we call water as a unique? It can exist in dash states and can change from one state to another. From this, we can call as a unique. It can exist in 3 states and can change from one state to another. Ways to save water. How we can save water? We can save water. Ensure that the tap is completely closed after use. After using the tap, you have to check whether it has closed or not. Second thing, inform an adult whenever we find a leaking tap or flush. If you are finding a leaking tap, you have to inform to a parent or brother or sister that the tap is leaking. Third thing, collect rainwater in the buckets and reuse it for various goals. Collect the rainwater in the bucket and you have to reuse it for washing vessels, washing clothes, washing cars, washing floor. Like that you can use it, reuse it. You can use it for cooking also. Rainwater is best for cooking, and then you can drink also. It is a fresh water. No, rainwater is a fresh water. You can boil and cook, drink. Okay. Is word wall. Oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, ponds, groundwater, fresh water, salt water. Once again we can repeat. Oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, ponds, groundwater, fresh water, salt water. Yes, thank you, Kutis. Bye-bye.